video is on how to use VidIQ or VidIQ for SEO. So let's do a walkthrough. So first off, you can set a goal. So for instance, the channel might not be monetized. So you can set your goal. Yes, I want to get my channel monetized. So the goal can be 34,000 views or 140 subscribers. So then it gives you a plan. Hard, super hard, and go all out. Hard, post 2 quality videos per month, 5 to 15 minutes per day with VidIQ. Super hard, so let's go hard. All right, so now that we've set our goal, let's go to view my progress. So it tells you how many subscribers you currently have. You can create a posting schedule. And it gives you a growth plan. Next, so what it will do is it will give you daily ideas based on what your topic is. So this channel that I'm currently signed into is for coding, so it's giving me topics on coding. You can save all of your ideas. And you can also dismiss the ideas they give you, and they give you ideas every single day. So lately we've been talking about acupuncture. So let's type in acupuncture. So here, we'd probably use acupuncture treatment because it's 61, has low competitiveness, and it's middle in volume. And you want to play with your keywords. I'd say that you should have between 450 and 500 keywords. Let's go to optimize. So let's just pick a video. So you can optimize your title, your description, and all of your keyword tags. Notice here our keyword tag count is 464. Then you get an SEO score. It's based on your tags, your volume, your keywords in your title, the keywords in your description, and the performance. Then it will give you a checklist. So, and I will say one thing, you don't want to get too caught up on everything that VidIQ says, because if you do, you'll find yourself becoming too hyper-focused on AI. And the reality is the tags don't matter as much. It's really about creating really, really good content. But tags and optimizing your content for SEO, especially at the beginning when you come up with what your title is and what ideas you want to do, I would say you should create 7 to 10 quality short videos based on whatever your keyword is. And then you can look at plans, your competitors, your subscribers. So that is how you would use VidIQ for keyword research.
Make sure to subscribe for more.